I'm answering some of your burning questions when it comes to shadow work, and in this video I'm going to share with you why shadow work is important, what is shadow work, and is shadow work even necessary. So by the end of this video you will leave with more clarity and understanding whether or not shadow work is what you want to get into, and that is happening right now. Aloha beautiful soul, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ray Anchi, energy alchemist and mindset coach. If you are new to my channel and you want to learn more on how to master your reality, recognize your infinite potential, and manifest greatness through spiritual growth and personal growth, start right now by pressing that subscribe button and also turning on your post notifications so you don't miss anything. So the first question of this video is, what does shadow work mean? Shadow work is basically the integration process of integrating the aspects of yourself that you have denied, repressed, suppressed, and disowned. These aspects are in the unconscious, and by integrating them, you allow for these aspects to come up into the unconscious to the conscious so that it is in your awareness. You bring a lot of these aspects into your conscious experience, allowing for your shadow self to finally express itself with your awareness. Your shadow self can be very, very beneficial for your growth. You do have many traits in the shadow that can further your spiritual growth and your personal growth. This leads us to the second question: is shadow work necessary? And by now you can identify that for yourself. Based on my experience and helping my clients through shadow work is definitely necessary because it does give you and allow you to radically accept yourself and live more authentically. The reason why you live more authentically and you radically accept yourself is because you finally get to face the hidden aspects of yourself that you have denied and that you have suppressed. And these are powerful traits that you can use, again, for your personal growth and your spiritual growth. By doing shadow work, it also allows you to experience and express these traits that you have hid. And in my book, okay, that is always a good thing. This then, by integrating these pieces of yourself that has been hidden for such a long time, you then feel more wholeness and you feel a little bit more complete. Well, actually, you feel a whole lot more complete, not just a little bit, you feel a whole lot more complete. And again, in my book, that is always a good thing. Wow. So, is shadow work necessary? And my answer to that is absolutely yes. If you want to radically accept yourself, live more authentically, and accept yourself to your entirety, then absolutely yes, shadow work is necessary. This now leads us to the final question: why is shadow work important? But before I answer that and before I get into that, like this video if you are getting value so far. Also, share this video and leave me a comment down below and let me know where you are in your shadow work journey. Have you started? Have you been afraid? And if you have been scared, you can check out my last video right up here, which is shadow work scary? And I answer all of that in this video right here. This leads us to the final question of this video: is why is shadow work important? And as you know by now, learning in this video, you can understand now that the hidden aspects of yourself is something that you can use to advance you in your personal growth and your spiritual growth. You also know now that if you wanted to radically accept yourself and live more authentically, you will have to do shadow work. So the importance to this lies with you, and the question you want to ask yourself is this something you want to experience? And if you answered yes to that question, then now you know that shadow work is definitely something that you want to get into, and that's something that can definitely dramatically improve your life and the outlook on yourself. So shadow work is important because it allows the person to reclaim the parts of themselves that they have hid. They can live more authentically and, most of all, radically accept themselves for who they truly are and to their entirety, their whole entire being. And that is why shadow work is important. So if you want to go deeper into shadow work and an all-encompassing course, I do have a course online, which is a 12-week program that'll get you to the prerequisites of shadow work so that it segues you into the actual shadow work, give you a better understanding, and therefore leaving you after the course having more acceptance for yourself, like really radically accepting yourself, unleashing your inner magic, recognizing your infinite potential, and so much more to that. Along with that, you'll have more positive self-talk and you'll have a strengthened mindset. So I will leave the link down below, and for this time I am having a special for the first 10 people that sign up for my course. They do get $300 off. I will leave that down in the description box down below. So there you have it. I just answered a few of the burning questions, and I've answered them in this video for you, and I hope that you have found more clarity and understanding whether or not shadow work is something that you want to get into. So that is all I have for this video today. And again, I appreciate every single one of you, the new subscribers that are coming in, my old subscribers, the viewers that are watching. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And look forward to the next videos that are coming up, because I will be talking about shadow work. I am doing a series right now on shadow work, so look out for the next 2 videos, which is happening next week. And of course, you want to be subscribed to my channel so that you do get those videos, and of course turning on your post notifications. So again, like this video and leave me a comment down below, even if you just said hi. So that is all. Mahalo and aloha.